In today's video, I'm going to be sharing with you some easy and fun ways to create some Christmas decor using Dollar Tree items. Let's go ahead and jump in. Hello my friend, welcome back to my channel. I just wanted to pop on here and say hi to you all because I feel like I haven't been on here in such a long time, and I wanted to say thank you to all of my new friends for joining me on my channel. Thank you so much. You are truly appreciated for your love and support. And to all of my OGs, all of my old followers and subscribers that have been here with me from the beginning, thank you so much for your continued support and love, because it truly does mean a lot to me. And I hope you continue enjoying my DIYs and my content. I always post new videos every week doing different DIYs from Christmas to fall to you name it, Easter, every theme I do for you to create some new and inspiring ideas that you might like to recreate, or if you just enjoy watching the video relaxing, because I know I love to watch DIY videos while I'm relaxing. Just to watch them, it brings me joy and it makes me feel relaxed. So I'm pretty sure for some of you it's the same, but I just wanted to come on here and say thank you so much for all of your support. And I love you so much for all of your kind words and your likes, your shares, everything that you do. And with that being said, let's jump into the video. So jumping right in, my friend, I have here one of these beaded wreaths that you can get from Dollar Tree. And I also have their snowball decor. These are just like little pom-poms. They also have these ornaments that reminded me of snowballs. So I'm going to take all of these different types of snowballs and different sizes, and we're going to hot glue them all the way around this wreath. And the reason why I chose this beaded wreath is so it can really stick to that wood of the beads, rather than trying to hot glue it onto a metal wreath form. So I wanted something wood. If you don't want to use the beaded one, they do have some regular wooden hoops that you can pick up, but I didn't have any on hand and I couldn't find none in the store. So I just went with this beaded one, which is perfectly fine. The only thing you want to keep in mind is that when you are hot gluing them down, you do want to place hot glue on the side of each of the ball, as well as the bottom of it, so it can stick to the bead, and then the side of the other puff ball, so that way everything can stay nice and tight together, and then it'll stop those beads from rolling around once everything is nice and glued. So don't worry about if you see it rolling around right now. It is going to do that until you get them all nice and tight together once again. So once that is done, I have this nice beautiful ornament from Dollar Tree that I just want to add to the middle of this wreath form hanging down. So I'm adding some hot glue and I'm simply just folding over the hanger that was already with this ornament piece. So I'm just folding it over, and I do change it later on. I ended up hanging it with a jute string instead because I wanted it to be a little bit lower, and so I do that in the end, but you can definitely hang it however you prefer. Now I'm just making a nice little simple bow with this sparkly white ribbon from Dollar Tree, because I want this to all be nice and white and sparkly like snow, so everything is coming together really nicely. And I'm just going to hot glue that down to the center top of this wreath, and look how beautiful this turned out. I think it is super pretty and gorgeous, just a beautiful winter wonderland piece. And I just love how it's so bright white with just a little simple touches of green and red. You would have to let me know what you think of this wreath, and if you would give it a try. It was super simple and easy to come together. Moving along to the next one, I'm gonna take some more of those ornaments that kind of look like a ball of yarn. I'm going to take also this little wood slice that you can get from Dollar Tree, and if you can't find that, they also have some wood rings. These will also help you stand up the ball so they won't roll everywhere. But I'm gonna take this wood piece and I'm going to hot glue my first piece, my first snowball right down, and with the hot glue that seeps out from the bottom, I'm going to add these little styrofoam balls that you can pick up at Dollar Tree as well, just to make it look like there's some snow down there. And then I'm going to add the second then snowball right on top. And you can do this in 2 layers or 3 layers of the snowball, but I decided to go with 2 for this one. And now I'm gonna go in with this fabric that's super pretty with that Christmassy look and pattern on top. I just cut a strip off because I want to use this as the scarf of my snowman, and I'm just going to easily wrap it around its neck just like this, and then place down some hot glue so I can cross the scarf over each other. And once I have that, it's going to have that cute little cozy scarf that you usually see on the snowman. And of course we have to add the hats, and for the hats I did have these scarecrow hats that you can find at Dollar Tree for the fall time, but I decided to use it for this little snowman because it fits perfectly. So I just took off those plaid pieces of fabric and I'm simply going to hot glue it on top. And it does not have to be black, right? Who says that a snowman has to only wear a black hat? Because that's mostly what you see on the snowman, but I really love the color of this hat anyway, so I just left it as it is. And now I'm going in with some frosted berries to add on the top of its hat just like this. And that was it for this beautiful and simple little snowman decor. And I left it without a face because I did want it to have a bit of an abstract look, because you can tell what it is once you look at it, but you can definitely add a face if you want to. But I absolutely love how this turned out, and you would have to let me know what you think. Moving along, my friend, you can see there that I have 2 3x2 frames that look like little houses in this wood frame that you can find at Dollar Tree. I'm just going to remove the backings and I'm going to paint them in white. You can also see that I had a pack of beads there that are in Christmas colors. Dollar Tree has those out right now. I'm gonna use those for this DIY, so I'm just giving the backings a nice coat of white paint, and they don't have to be completely, perfect, the coating. It could be distressed because I do want it to look like that for this DIY, being that the wood is, in its natural color. So I do want the paint to almost look a little bit distressed. And I have this pack of stickers that I got from Target Dollar Spot, and I got these a while ago. I'm not sure if they had the same exact ones right now, but I'm pretty sure you can find some similar. And I'm just adding 2 different ones of my choosing to go inside of these frames, and I just stuck them down onto the backings, and I'm just going to put them back into the frame nice and easy. And then I'm going to hot glue these beads on the sides of this house frame. I'm going to just go in a pattern of red, green, and white, and just repeat that for both of the sides. Once I have those down, I am going to go in with another layer of hot glue in the back just to give it an extra layer of security and make sure they are nice and stuck on. So I'll do that to both of the sides, and then we're going to add hot glue on top of those beads on both sides so we can sandwich the other frame right on top. And you can see you just want to make sure they're nice and aligned perfectly, the 2 frames, and just press it down really nicely, and you can see how pretty it is looking. So now that we have that opening at the top, we can place down some nice flowers of our choosing. I just went with some poinsettias, but you can go in with whatever your favorite flower is, but you can always also change them out. And then I do go in with a bow on this side, and I do go in with a different bow on the other side, because remember the 2 sides are different, so you can always flip this around so it can say something else. And you can see how beautiful this turned out. I really love this one. This is one of my favorites from today. It's just super pretty and so simple to make, and I love that you can flip it so that way you can have 2 sayings. You would have to let me know what you think. Stop right there if you are a small business owner or a crafter, or you have kids or grandkids, either one. This sponsorship is for you. This collaboration, I am coming together with Globeland to show you these awesome things that you can get off of their website. You can see here I have a variety of different things. These are some stickers. These are the new ones in the pack. This is it open. You can see how beautiful those are with the, hold on, can you focus? Oh, okay, now you can see it. Handmade with love. I really love these because I do crafting and I do home decor. Everything is handmade, so whenever I do gift them away or something like that, I can put these on there. So I did grab those along with these lemon ones because I thought these would be super cute for some summer crafts or lemon crafts, DIYs, or just for anything really. And I really love all the different patterns. And then I also grabbed this one that says thank you. And don't mind the roosters in the background. You guys know the deal by now. But these are the thank you with the gold heart, and they are super cute. And then I also have, I also picked these up for my daughter because she loves diamond art painting. If you don't know what that is where it's where you take these templates and then you take the diamonds that come with it and you put them color by color. It's really nice to have, and especially if you have kids or grandkids, they would absolutely love this. My daughter has made all of these already so far. She really does love making these, and I love these because they are small, so you can just peel them off once you're done and place them wherever in their journals or wherever, for school, stuff like that. And that's really cute. And then also I picked up these wax seal stamp heads right here. This one says Merry Christmas, but they are very nice. And this one is of a bird. You can see right there. So head on over to their website. You guys are not going to want to miss their products, and you can get 10% off using my code MIA10. All of the links and everything will be in the description box below, so you can check them out once you are done watching my video because I really do love their products. And with that being said, my friend, let's move on to the final DIY for today. I'm going to be taking one of Dollar Tree's beautiful scarves that has a nice gingerbread pattern with some Christmas trees along with their wooden cubes. You can always find this in their crafter section. I usually always find these wooden cubes there, and I'm just gonna wrap this like if it were a present as you would in real life. So the same exact way you just want to do onto this cube using some hot glue. So I'm just gonna do that, and I don't know how you wrap your presents, but however whichever way works for you is what you would do. But I'm just going ahead and wrapping it really nicely with the hot glue, and of course you can use Mod Podge if you prefer as well to get the scarf on this cube. So you can see I'm folding over the edges just like this, and it's giving you that nice wrapped present look. So I'm just going to continue on until all of the sides are nice and covered. This is the last side right here, and then if there's any excess, I'm just going to cut it. And then for the second cube, I'm going to do the same exact thing but with a different fabric. This is the one with the reindeers and Christmas trees on it. So I'm going to use this fabric for the second cube and just wrap it the same exact way. And I'm also going to, I did cut the square of the fabric a little bit shorter because I felt like the blue one had way too much wiggle room. So I tried to cut it a little bit smaller so it can be much more tighter and neater for the second one. And once I get that nice and wrapped, I do want to stack these presents on top of each other. But before I do that, I want to also wrap it with some different pattern fabric, so that way it can give you that ribbon, when you wrap a present and you wrap the ribbon around it. So that's what I want it to look like. So I'm wrapping that around the white one, and then for the blue one I'm going to wrap it in a red ribbon. And once those are nicely wrapped, I am going to stack them using some hot glue. So I just put some on the bottom of the white present, and I just simply stack it on top of the blue present, but I do turn it at a slight angle. And then I'm going to add a nice little bow to the top of the white present there, just to finish it off and look really nice and pretty. And if you've made it this far into my video, I would love to know by you leaving a comment snowball down below in the comment section, so you can let me know that you made it this far. So thank you so much for that too, because I really do appreciate it, and I love when you stick around to the end to see how everything came out. So thank you so much once again. And this is the final look of those stacked presents. I really love how it turned out. Super simple to make yet again, but really pretty, and I love it. You would have to let me know what you think, and let me know which one was your favorite from today. And if you've enjoyed, do give this video a big thumbs up, and do consider hitting that subscribe button. I would love to have you be a part of my family, and I will see you all on the next one, my friend. Take care and God bless. Bye.